We are going to go through 5 bins right now, and then we might do 4 drawers. I'd like to get through at least 8 or 9 drawers today, and I don't have 30 drawers in my house, so Michelle said I could do some bins. So I have 5 right now that I found that I want to go through. This is my favorite time of the week. It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Our host is Sunday Dawn for the Helpful Home. If you do tiny amounts of things every week, you will accomplish your goal of a neat and tidy home. And the drawer challenge is my everyday wife life, Michelle. Please check out both their channels, amazing creators. Please check them out. And everybody on the playlist, please check them out. Amazing group of ladies. I am so blessed to have found such great creators that are so supportive. If you ever want to do cleaning content, these are great people to do a collab with. Okay, we have 5 bins. 3 are mine, 1 is my husband, and the 5th is my puppy. So that's going to be interesting. I would like to go down to only have maybe 1 or 2 of these bins. This can go away. My husband never wears it. I'm going to put this in his drawer because he just got rid of all of his socks last week, and he said, I'm going to have to buy new socks. And I'm like, no, I'm sure you don't. And I found this, now I found 4 pair. 3 packages, so he definitely doesn't have to buy new. So that can go away. Yes, I'm getting rid of storage containers. Don't tell my husband. I'm keeping my sweaters. I do wear them when it's really cold. Because folks, I'm in Ohio. I don't like turtlenecks, but these 2 turtleneck sweaters I really like. They're oversized turtlenecks that don't make you feel like you're choking. So I am keeping them. I know I have 1 in black, and I forget the other color. It's probably in another bin. And if you think I'm moving funny or whatever, I am. I don't know what I did to my neck. I have done nothing the last 2 days. Only sat under a heating pad because I couldn't turn my head. This was a gift, and I've never wore them. So I'm going to let these go. And the stuff in here too. I'm going to just let these go. If you're not going to wear them and use them, you might as well let that stuff go. Do I have? I have a bunch of pantyhose too. I don't wear pantyhose anymore either because, well, to be honest, I don't work at a law firm anymore. I might keep those because they're new. But I don't really, nah. Take this out, and this one can go away. There's 2 bins down. Let's go to the next one. Here's my other blue sweater. I am keeping it. And I do like to have them in the bins because it doesn't misshape your sweaters if you fold them. Here's another gift. I did use them a couple times because they have cough drops in them. what you're supposed to do, which is take these from one purse to the other one so you wouldn't have to move all your stuff, which I guess is a great idea. However, my purses are not all the exact size to fit these. So I'm going to let these go. And this bin, I'm going to use it for my sweaters. And I do have a hat that I'm keeping. Because every now and then, you know, I like to wear headbands and little hats and things. So I'm going to keep that. So we're 2 down, and we kept one. And I have one that's purses. And these purses, I won from playing a game on Tamu. I don't know whether I'm going to keep them. I may pass them along because I've never used them in a year. I mean, they're cute, but I may let this one, let it go. They're cute, but they're heavy. I think I'm going to let both of them go. And there's this one. I won them playing a game on Tamu. And I have scarves on the bottom. I think I'll let those go too. Because we're downsizing here. Bathing suit. I don't normally wear it, but I'm gonna keep it. So we're down 3 totes. Okay, don't tell my puppy. We're gonna go through their toys. And anything that is kind of in rough shape, we're gonna let it go. Because they play rough now. I think I'm going to let him go. Oh, the squeaker worked. These holds up a little better than the other one. But I'm going to also put some aside for the let's throw them in the whoosh category. These can go in the laundry. Yeah, those can go whoosh. They're not really ripped, they're just spit on. This one I'm going to let go. Yeah, that one's kind of in rough shape. This one too. He got in the bottom, but I'm going to still give him a bath. That one they haven't touched. I'm going to let this go. Nobody plays with it. And it takes up a lot of room. They play with the hearts. They like their little ones. Okay. Now we have a full bag that we're going to get rid of. and another full bag that I can put in the laundry. Let's go and see what's in here. I don't know what this even is. Get rid of that. CDs. I'm gonna keep these. This was from some vacations. I might let that go. I may keep this. Definitely keeping that. That's my grandmother's Bible. But there. Oh, we watch these so much. Yeah, they're not even open. I don't know. I may get rid of the most of these. There. Oh wow, that one's easy. Go through and see how our towels fared from all this canning that I've been doing. Okay. I don't see too many that needs throughout. They just got bundled up. That one can go. That one might go too. That one looks like it needs whoosh. That's a whole new pile. Not bad, because I just cleaned this out. I think it was April. Here is, we got rid of these three. And this one needs washed.